So guys, here you have it, the new McLaren 600LT. Now it's look really good in person. Would you look at those two exhaust tips? Wow. And of course, as you saw from the videos, you've got flames coming out from the exhaust, which looks really good, to be honest. This all carbon fiber rear bumper. Now I believe most of you know that the 600LT is a long-tail version of the 570S, and that it shares the same V8 as its siblings. You might also know that the 600LT is intentionally track-focused. For that purpose, McLaren has slightly tweaked the 570S setup, and by slightly, I mean very much. Almost everything in the car has been reworked, and McLaren claims 23% of the components are new. The key difference between the 570S and the 600LT is this carbon fiber front bumper. Looks more aggressive on the 600LT. You've got air intake through these right here. And of course your signature McLaren headlights. And you've got a 600LT emblem right there in the headlights. Now guys, what do you think of the spec of this 600LT? Now it looks really good with the grey and the orange seat belts inside, the orange accents, with of course the orange calipers too. And would you look at those wheels? Wow. One of the main parts that made the 600LT more special is the dual top deck rear exhausts. They don't just look cool, but help unlock the 600LT's additional power output of around 30 horsepower over the 570S. Now you can actually see the excess use of carbon fiber everywhere in the car, which looks really good, like on the doors, on the skirts, right there on the bumper, the diffuser, everywhere. And it's all to save weight because, as you know, this is a track-focused car, so it has to be aerodynamic as possible. The 600LT's chassis is a carbon fiber tub with a dry weight of 1,247 kilograms. It manages to get to 100 kilometers an hour in 2.9 seconds. The 600LT is one of the most technologically advanced supercar on sale right now. It shares quite a lot of parts with the more expensive 720S and Senna. For example, you get Senna's lightweight carbon bucket seats, which bring supportiveness at $6,300. I guess you've noticed that McLaren has been getting more and more attention this past year, and they've been working hard to control this market of high-end sports cars. With every new model they release, all eyes are on the Italians to see how they will respond to McLaren's continuous success in making excellent machinery. Now I'd like to start off this year by asking, will McLaren become, in just a few years, the leading supercar manufacturer in a time when Ferrari still holds onto this title since 1948? So guys, that's it for today. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. And until then, take care everybody. See you soon.
My way to the stars, want to fly, fly with you. We're going to reach the sky, feel the vibes.